Welcome to Natoy's World Channel. Today we're taking you on a vibrant journey to discover the top 10 most colorful birds in the world. From the rainforests of South America to the tropical islands of the Pacific, these feathered friends are sure to dazzle you with their brilliant hues. Starting off our list is the Rainbow Lorikeet, a native of Australia. With its bright blue head, green wings, and orange breast, this bird looks like it's been painted by the rainbow itself. Next we have the Resplendent Quetzal, known for its stunning green and red plumage and its long, flowing tail feathers. This bird is considered sacred in many cultures, and is truly a sight to behold. The Scarlet Macaw is a true icon of the Amazon rainforest. Its vivid red, yellow, and blue feathers make it one of the most recognizable and colorful birds in the world. No list of colorful birds would be complete without the peacock. Known for its iridescent tail feathers that can fan out in a breathtaking display, the peacock is a symbol of beauty and pride. With its large, multicolored bill, the keel-billed toucan is a standout in the forests of Central and South America. Its bill is a mix of green, blue, orange, and red, making it one of the most colorful birds around. The Mandarin duck is often considered one of the most beautiful birds in the world. Native to East Asia, its vibrant plumage includes shades of orange, blue, green, and white, making it a true work of art. Hailing from Australia, the Gouldian finch comes in a variety of bright colors including red, yellow, and purple. Its striking appearance has made it a popular bird among aviculturists. The lilac-breasted roller is a jewel of the African savanna. Its feathers feature a stunning array of colors, including lilac, blue, green, and brown, making it a favorite among birdwatchers. The Wilson's bird of paradise, found in Indonesia, is known for its elaborate courtship dances and its brilliant plumage, which includes shades of red, yellow, and green. This bird is truly a spectacle. Rounding out our list is the Hyacinth macaw, the largest parrot in the world. Its cobalt blue feathers and striking yellow eye rings make it a stunning sight in the wilds of South America.
In the land down under there's a sight to see, a rainbow lorikeet so wild and free. With colors of the rainbow it's a living dream. In the trees of Australia it's a dazzling green. Oh, the colors of the world so bright and bold, feathers of the finest, stories to be told. From the forest to the skies, a rainbow unfurled, the top 10 most colorful birds in the world. High in the cloud forest there's a flash of red and green, the resplendent Quetzal, a sight unseen. Its tail flows like a river in the morning light. In the heart of Central America it's a wondrous sight. Oh, the colors of the world so bright and bold, feathers of the finest, stories to be told. From the forest to the skies, a rainbow unfurled, the top 10 most colorful birds in the world. In the Amazon, where the jungles roar, the scarlet macaw spreads its wings and soars. Red, yellow, and blue in a vibrant display. In the depths of the rainforest it brightens the day. Oh, the colors of the world so bright and bold, feathers of the finest, stories to be told. From the forest to the skies, a rainbow unfurled, the top 10 most colorful birds in the world. In the gardens of the palace, the peacock's pride, with its tail feathers fanned, a rainbow so wide. Blues and greens shimmer like a royal dream. In the heart of India, it's a majestic scene. Oh, the colors of the world so bright and bold, feathers of the finest, stories to be told. From the forest to the skies, a